So today I'm about to show you how to connect Google Calendar to N8N. First, open your N8N canvas and drag in a Google Calendar node. Click into the node parameters and select Create New Credential. If you are on N8N Cloud, simply click the Google Auth option to link your account with one click. If you are self-hosting, select Auth 2, paste your Google Cloud Client ID, and add N8N's redirect URL to your Google console before signing in. Next, choose your desired operation like create an event or get all events under the calendar ID parameter. Select your primary calendar from the drop-down or paste your calendar's specific email address. Finally, map your incoming trigger variables straight into the start time, end time, and summary fields, and execute to automatically sync your calendar schedule in real time. And that's it. That's how to connect Google Calendar to N8N. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you in the next one.